Citizens Bank customers are facing a major crisis. Their money is inaccessible. Debit cards are being declined, the app and website are down, people are frustrated and angry, and rightfully so. This is a huge inconvenience. It's stressful not knowing when you'll have access to your own funds. Many are reporting they can't make everyday purchases. Paying for groceries, filling up gas tanks, even online shopping has come to a halt. Some are stuck with bills due and no way to pay them on time. This situation is unacceptable. The worst part? Getting help from Citizens Bank is nearly impossible. Customer service lines are jammed, leaving people on hold for hours. This silence from the bank only adds to the frustration and uncertainty. People deserve answers. They deserve better. So, why do these outages happen? Sometimes it's a surge in website traffic that their systems can't handle. Other times, there might be problems with the bank's internal systems or even with card networks like MasterCard or Visa. Whatever the reason, the impact on you is real. You're left feeling powerless, unable to access your own money. This situation highlights how vulnerable we are in our digital world. We rely heavily on these systems, and when they fail, our lives are disrupted. Remember, this isn't your fault. You entrusted your money to Citizens Bank, and they have a responsibility to provide reliable service. Don't be afraid to demand better. Your voice matters. Right now you need solutions. First, don't panic. There are ways to navigate this situation. Try using other payment methods like Venmo, Zelle, or Apple Pay, if you have them set up. Cash is still king, so withdraw some from an ATM if possible. Be aware that your bank might charge extra fees for using an out-of-network ATM. If you have bills due, contact the companies and explain the situation. See if they accept alternative payment methods or if they can give you an extension. For urgent matters, try reaching out to Citizens Bank through their social media channels. Sometimes you can get a faster response that way. Most importantly, avoid repeatedly using your debit card if it's being declined. This can trigger fraud alerts and lock your account further. Stay calm, be patient, and know that this will eventually get resolved. This outage is a wake-up call. It's time to demand better from our banks. Don't let them off the hook. When the dust settles, contact Citizens Bank and ask for refunds for any fees incurred due to the outage. Push them to implement backup systems and alternative payment options. Share your story on social media using #CitizensBankOutage. The more people speak up, the more pressure it puts on Citizens Bank to improve its services and prevent future incidents. Remember, you deserve reliable and secure access to your money. Don't settle for anything less. This experience, as frustrating as it is a reminder to diversify how you manage your money. Don't rely solely on one bank or payment method. Explore your options and take control of your financial well-being.